Hi, welcome you all. Welcome to my channel. From May 17th onwards, domestic flight services are being domestic flights or services are resumed with new rules and with new conditions. The services being started. We will see those the rules in detail. So as we know, from March ending onwards, there is no flights for domestic as well as for the international flights. So with this COVID pandemic situations, so all the public transportations has been stopped. So the Minister of Civil Aviation, they started the domestic flights now with new terms and conditions. We will see those rules and regulations as well. See, the main thing is here the persons who affected the COVID-19, so as well as who are in quarantine. So as those who are in quarantine, they have to show the evidence from the authorized laboratory stating that there is no issues like that. And those who are above 80 age, and the age point of view, 80 above age, so they are not allowed to fly. As of now, the conditions, maybe after 1 month or 2 months, we don't know about the conditions, but as of now, so 18 years is not, above 80 years, not allowed to fly. And the baggage point of view, only one bag is allowed, that too only 20 kilos is allowed, I mean weight they are allowing right now. So with this new rules, few more rules we will see in detail. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now and hit that bell icon to get the future notifications, to watch the videos, to share the same videos to your friends and family members. We will see the new rules now, how the new rules looks like.
The new rules introduced by the airports during the flight for the domestic flights. No passenger should be seated in the seats in the middle, as the physical distance must be followed, so they are empty. Checking of passenger certifications is also mandatory. The decision was taken to ease the confusion at the terminal gate. The traveler must submit his quarantine details. So have you been infected with the corona in the past month? Did you get any treatment for it, etc. must be informed. Anyone who is in quarantine should contact the isolated security checking unit at the airport. Health setup app is must for passengers. Only authorized taxis are required to arrive at the airport. Passengers should arrive at the airport only 2 hours prior. Those who arrive earlier will not be allowed inside. Boarding is allowed only before the travel time hour. The gates are closed 20 minutes in advance. Passengers should not carry any luggage, not more than 20 kg. Only one bag is allowed. If body temperature is high, such travelers should postpone their journey. They can change their travel date with no penalty. So these details are kept by the airlines. Cleaning of signs, lifts, escalators, chairs, seating areas and food stalls at the airport should be cleaned with alcohol-based antivirus. Flight crew, pilot, cabin attendants should not be repeated. No food provided during travel, so go to the designated area and drink fresh water with the cups placed there. So these are the new rules framed by the domestic airports in India. You can enjoy your flight. Thank you.
Please don't forget to write the comment, and please share this video to your friends and family members. Most important, make your day as a great day. Thank you.